Hey, it's Kaylin from Travel Yourself, and on this episode of Where She Stayed, I am in the Italian Dolomite Mountains, staying at Casa Salares. This is what my room looks like. Travel Yourself. However, let's do a proper tour of the penthouse suite and the rest of the property. This is Rue Blanc, the penthouse suite at Casa Salares. You first enter the room here, and we have this beautiful walk-through closet to this stunning bedroom. Like, jaw-droppingly stunning bedroom. So gorgeous. The rugs are hand selected by one of the owners throughout the whole property. There's this beautiful tub. There's this room with infrared light chairs that you can hang out in. And then we have this beautiful large bathroom. We have the toilet and bidet here, double sinks, and a stand-up rain shower. Then back this way through this stunning bedroom once again. We have a whole other side to the suite. We have a second bathroom here that also has a shower there in the back corner. And we have this great living area space. There's a tea and coffee station and bar area. Nice big flat screen TV, fireplace, and we also have this beautiful lounge area. And then as we come outside, not every time you stay here does it come with an adventurous Kate, but luckily today it does. We have a nice sitting area, your own private jacuzzi, and we have a great view over the property here. You can see also where they grow some of their vegetables, and hello mountains. Isn't that a stunning view? Definitely check out Casa Salares if you find yourself visiting the Dolomites.
It's called un litro, which means 1 liter. And it's made with Carignano and Alicante grapes. Well, the chocolate room is not bad, but there is something missing, right?
What? What is this place? Oh my god. Up here in the mountains, CIasa Salares owns these 2 cabins, and on Wednesdays you can come here enjoy a beautiful picnic with these stunning views. Right now we are here at Bitz Soriga, and we are on top of the mountains in the Dolomites. You can hike, you can walk, you can bike, you can also ski right here to this point in the wintertime, and the views are stunning. Thank you for watching, and if you ever find yourself in the Italian Dolomites, I highly recommend you check out CIasa Salares.